Welcome back. Okay, so I was going to do another hair video. I didn't know what I wanted to do to my hair, so I just been wearing it in this little basic ponytail for now. But I know what I want to do to it now, so I will record that video tonight, and it will more than likely drop sometime night or early in the morning. And yeah, so I got another video coming. It's gonna probably be like a mukbang type of thing. I got a lot of updates, so gotta fill you guys in. But yeah, there's a whole lot going on. But what I'm gonna do right now is we're gonna clean the kitchen up, get Sunday dinner going, making some barbecue pork chop. Drove as hell, okay? I am making barbecue pork steaks, not pork chops, pork steaks. If you are not hip to throwing them pork steaks in the crock pot and letting them cook, I need to get it together this morning, guys. Okay, so if you don't know about throwing them babies in the crock pot and letting them slow cook all day, you've been missing out. If you never threw them pork steaks in a crock pot and let them slow cook all day long, it is like heaven in your mouth. But yeah, so that's what I'm about to do, and then I will finish this video up when I am finishing up the rest of dinner tonight. That way it will be the whole meal. But I do the meat early in the morning, that way it slow cooks all day. I don't know why I cannot say that, okay? But you know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, let's slow cook all day, and then I will finish the rest of the video whenever I finish cooking dinner. So that's what I'm doing. And I will also have another cooking vlog coming in the next day or two, because I got something that I am doing with this chicken breast right here. So you're going to want to make sure you tune into that. So dishes are done, so I'm gonna get started on my meat. I only put the dishes on this side this time because I don't have any other counter space other than right here, and this is where I'm putting the crock pot, and I prefer to just do everything in the same little area instead of doing it at the table and going across the kitchen, you know? So I'm about to rinse my meat, season it up, and get it in the crock pot. Okay, so when I'm seasoning my meat, I'm going to be using ground black pepper, some Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, some sea salt, because it's just better for you than iodized salt, and some Cajun seasoning. I like to add Cajun seasoning to a lot of our foods because we like them a little spicier. So just like with the barbecue sauce, I'm going to use part original. And then I also have this, it is a 18-ounce bottle of sweet and spicy sauce that I'm going to put in there, and it just gives that extra kick. I just always do a light dusting of each, and it normally does the trick. From here, you let it slow cook on low till about 5:30. Halfway through, I do a flip over. I put these in the oven at 400 degrees for an hour to 2. Pork steaks are done. Gonna keep them on warm. Falling right off the bone. And they're done. Okay, in this pot I have green beans. I put a dollop of butter in there. Use some black pepper to season it. Drained the green beans before I put them in there. I did leave a tiny bit of the canned juice in there, but I normally let it cook in the butter. Now I'm going to spray the pan, roll my crescent rolls, and get them in the oven. And from this point, I'm just going to assemble my baked potato the way that I like it. Thank you guys for stopping by. If you enjoyed this, stay tuned for the next cooking vlog. We will be having homemade spicy chicken sandwiches. And yeah, so thanks for joining. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe while you're here. and enjoy the rest of this video. Peace, squad.